new question, creating the pod using PVC data claim, mounted at slash data, verify the persistence, write file, delete pod, recreate, verify file, exist. Basically, we need a PVC which we have earlier created, which is of name data claim of this, and we need a PV also which binds with PVC, and we need to create a pod that uses this PVC, and we need to verify whether the volumes is satisfying, like that means the data is persisting or not. Okay, so I already have created PVC earlier, so I'll just use the same or similar YAML file to create. So first I'll let me create the PV YAML, and then so if you see, this is also fast storage, and which is greater than, which should be greater than PVC request, and this is persistent volume reclaim policy is retained, and this is the host path, and yeah, then we have PVC which we have earlier created like data claim and all. So I'll use a similar YAML file, and then let me apply -f pv.yaml, and then we have pvc.yaml. So I need to do pvc, so that is bounded. Now let me create a pod, and so it's a busybox pod. You will get this from Kubernetes documentation. I got in the same way. So let me create this pod.yaml. And if you see this pod.yaml, this volume mounts is what it is there. So you can see earlier we have volume devices in the pod when there is block storage, but when if it is file system we need to use volume mounts, and this is the path in the inside the container. We are mounting our data volume to this path, and this is our volume which which is having this particular persistent volume claim. So that's looking good. Now I will be having to create this pod. Now let me do get pod. It's running. I need to exec into this pod in order to write the data. So exec and --sh. Now let me, where is it? Yeah, okay, I think so. Yeah, so now I need to write into that particular data which we have mounted, right? This path I need to write. So if you see ls and cd data, and nothing is there, now I'll do echo hello CKA, and I'll write into my file 1.txt. So now if I do cat my file 1.txt, I have hello CKA. So this data should be persisted even I delete it, delete the pod, and recreate it also. This data has to be persisted is what I'm expecting. Okay, so let's wait for some time once it is deleted. Okay, now if you see get pod, there is nothing. Now I'll do apply -f pod.yaml, so it will get created again. Now I want to exec into that container, and I want to go into data. So now if you see, still I'm able to see that my file is existing, and let me um, see the contents inside the file also. So the contents inside the file is also retained. That means my volumes are working. So this demonstrates the answer to this question. We have verified that this file is existing and the data inside it also is existing. So that's all from this question. And now let's see that 128 question in the next section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.